Yes, so the idea of this is just to reveal the first chapters that I read so far from the Chip Huyen AI engineering books. So I've been creating some notes. I will now pass through this. So passing to the key concepts and definitions from the book. So she mentions about like the models that serves that this train after the foundation model's arrival, which is like since like few companies concentrate the powers to train the models, they are now supposed to serve these as a product to the users, and the users are tied as this, so they don't have the computation power to train the actual models, since they have this power to process and store this data. The definition of AI engineering is basically, and she mentioned, is the process of building applications on top of already available models. And another notion is that the crawl, walk, run, which is framework of gradually increasing the AI automation in a product. The crawl means human involvement in is mandatorily. Walk means the AI can directly interact with internal employees. Uh, and run means that it is increased automation and the petition of including direct AI interactions with external users. Prompt engineer, which is basically is about of getting AI models to express the desirable behavior from an input alone without changing the model weight. So we want to adapt a model to do a certain task by just like giving the instructions to do so. Um, so notable quotes and insights from the book. I have one so far, as of today, 9 July of 2025. So she mentioned in that foundations models are use so much data that there's a realistic concern we will run out of internet data in the next few years. The limits of LLM training data. Um, uh, Passing to the chapter. So in the chapter one, she mentioned many things about the introduction. So she talks about the demand of AI application increases versus a barrier to create AI applications decreasing. The overview, self-supervision was the key for large language model. A brief review on what were large language models to predicting the next word. Um, why the large language models use tokens instead of words. So basically, tokens helps model to better encode the language structure instead of just taking look on words. Uh, the difference of masked like language model. So autoregressive language model tries to given an input predict the next token. In masked language model is um, you have like a sentence that you need to fill with the prediction, and the prediction is in normally in between the the, the text. Um, okay, so going next, so going from large language models to foundation models. Large language models focus mostly on text, and foundation models like Gemini, ChatGPT, etc., are more multimodal, so they can understand text, images, videos, 3D assets, and so on and so forth. Um, so basically, OpenAI noticed this as an important step to go through um, from large language models to foundation models. And next, I will talk more about these, how we go from foundation models to AI engineering, and so forth, and so on and so forth.